Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Jinky. We love you. We miss you. Have a good day with your birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Jinky! Love you! Uwi na! Hindi pa tayo nagkikita!
Dali, dali! Happy birthday, Tita Jinky. Gusto ko ng Pizza Hut. Happy birthday, Mama Jinky. Take care of yourself. Always pray. And we love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, pamangkin.
Happy
Happy birthday, pamangkin.
Happy birthday sa pamangkin kong mabait! Ingat kayo dyan lagi!
Ingat, ingat.
Happy birthday po kasi Jinky. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Salamat po sa pagtulong sa amin. At salamat din kasi nandiyan kayo palagi para sa tabi ni ate ko. Happy birthday ate Jinky. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Jinky. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless po.
Hi Ate Jinky, happy birthday po! Birthday Jinky, ingat ka palagi.
So yun, Ate Jinky, happy birthday sa'yo. Tinang mo.
Birthday, Tita Jinky! Uwi na kayo!
New Year!
Yun, it's your birthday, so happy birthday and mag-iingat ka dyan lagi.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Ate Jinky. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Always. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Ate Jinky. More birthdays to come. And may God give you long life.
Happy birthday, Ate Jinky! Ingat ka dyan pa ate, okay? Yung sapatos na pinadala namin, ang mong kakalimutan. More birthday to come. God bless. And miss na miss ka na namin dito sa Saudi Arabia.
Yeah,
XB. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love it.
See you soon po.
See you soon po. Sana po
pagpunta niyo po dito. Bigyan niyo na kami ng
Lison.
Happy birthday, Jinky! Alias Bauman, I love you.
Happy birthday, Maria Jinky and Calderon. I wish you good health, more birthdays to come, and more blessings to come. Always take care of yourself, especially your health. If may nararamdaman ka, ma-check up ka. Okay? Then, of course, do not forget to thank God every day, every morning that you wake up. Do not forget to thank God. Again, happy birthday to you, my sister, my one and only sister. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa'yo, maging successful ka pa sa buhay at lahat tayong magkakapatid umahon sa hirap. Alagaan natin yung natitirang magulang natin. Alam ko nahihirapan ka din dyan. We both have a work, busy in life, but always always pray. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Hi Ate Jinky, happy birthday. I miss you and I love you. Sana makauwi kayong December para makasama ka ulit namin ng Pasko and New Year.
Happy birthday, Ate! Wishing you more birthdays and blessings to come. We love you always. Ingat! See you soon.
Happy birthday, Jengkay! Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan, kayo ni Mian. Tumatanda ka na kayo.
Happy birthday, Jeng! Kumusta kila ditan? Sana lagi kayong malakas dyan, dalawa ni Mian. Kumusta na rin si Mian? Ako ito. Marami nang mahina na lahat. Wala nang lakas.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Day. Hindi ako sanay gumawa ng video, but anyway, wish ko sa'yo on the special day of yours kung sana yung dami kang good health. Hindi ka mag-iingat dyan at huwag masyadong magpalaki. Okay? Joke lang. I miss you and I love you always. Ingat ka palagi. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again. Have you okay?